Welcome. We're glad you're here to learn more about Ponga. Let's jump right in. We know photos are our treasures. Photos that have been passed down through generations, shared in albums, loose in boxes, on the cloud and on our computers. These photos connect us. They have made us unique through the stories they capture that are louder than words. But let's face it, we have a lot of them. It can be daunting and overwhelming to sort and organize them enough to recall their stories. It doesn't have to be that way anymore. Meet Ponga, a web application that helps you organize your photos and add the memories and stories that matter most. Most of us have boxes or albums full of photos that are important to us. But as time goes by, we tend to forget the stories behind the pictures. And as we get older, it becomes harder and harder to remember the names and details. That's why Ponga is so important. With our built-in artificial intelligence, you can upload photos and then put names to the faces you recognize. And every picture is then sorted automatically by person and every person is labeled. Any additional photos that are uploaded will now be magically recognized with those who are in them. Label any new faces and the system will locate those faces from your previous uploads. If you don't remember a name, skip it and come back or ask a family member to help. Once you know who's who, then you're ready for the fun of adding your own context. It can be a contextual story, a voice recording from a loved one, a Google Map link to the house you grew up in, or even a video of a first recital or your grandmother singing a lullaby. This paves the way for you to tell the stories and transform your photo into a legacy of memories that matter most to you. Our members are finding endless creative ways to use Ponga that we never even imagined. Some are generating chronological timelines describing their family's migration journey, while others are photographing heirlooms and adding the stories to them. Another is creating photo album pages and bringing them into Ponga. This adds up to information that's vital to the photo, vital to connecting your history, and vital to preservation. Not to mention the fun you'll have in discovering details that are normally missed when flipping through photos. And by the way, the photos and information you entrust with Ponga are stored privately on secured servers. We take the privacy and safety of these photos, images, and memories very seriously. Read our privacy policy to understand the safeguards we have put into place for both members and their viewing guests. Speaking of guests, our members have unlimited guest accounts where they can share their photos privately through email invitations to view or gather more details on a photo. Whatever you create within Ponga can be shared securely with whomever you choose, and no prying eyes of social media. That's our quick Ponga tour. Thank you for watching. We hope you will become a member today. You'll have all the benefits of the web application, access to the member webinars, and a one-time family masterclass to help you get the most from your photo sorting and discovery. But the most important benefit of all is the legacy of photos and the memories that you'll bring back to life and keep for generations to come. It's the shared story that connects us. Make that connection today. We can't wait to welcome you to Ponga, the place where pictures can tell the most amazing stories. Ready to start yours today?